nitrate, nitrogen, pH, and temperature RF sensor transmitter. While nitrate is far less toxic to fish and other aquatic organisms than ammonia and nitrite, it can stunt your fish growth, and a long-term exposure to high levels stresses the fish, which compromises their immune systems. Nitrate is also a major contributor to algae growth. If you want to monitor the water quality of your pond or within a lake or a river, check out RF Solutions' highly accurate RF and Wi-Fi water sensor for nitrate, nitrogen, pH, and temperature. If used with the RIoT Mini Hub, users can view these water quality levels in real time on a smart device or PC via the internet anywhere in the world. Alerts can be set to trigger notifications. If the gas concentration exceeds preset thresholds, it directly activates a local RF saver unit. Switch up a relay contact to operate a pump or alarm sounder, for example.